Alright, so what we got here today is a Canarm CP36 inch industrial ceiling fan. I got this for Christmas last year. This fan is sold at Princess Auto, and this fan's dated October 3rd, 2016. So it wasn't even made that long ago, so this is a pretty new fan. But anyways, we're going to start demonstrating it now. I got it hooked up to the same Canarm solid state speed control as I used for the 56-inch Canarm. So anyways, here's low. It actually does hum, because it's on a solid state control. Of course it would hum. And it's got a pretty fast low since it's a 36-inch. Yeah, I can just hear that thing humming away. I could already feel some air coming from it. This almost looks like medium high already, even though I got it set all the way to low. Yeah, but we'll take it up a notch. Put it up to medium low. Yeah, this thing's already starting to look like high. I could just feel the air coming down from me. Like, this is actually a pretty good fan. I do like it. And here's medium. Yeah, this already looks like high now. Yeah, but it's medium. But here's a medium high. And here's high speed. This thing just flies on high. It moves a good amount of air. Like, it's a really good air mover. If I like stand under it, I feel a lot of air from it. Well, yeah, I like these 36-inch Canarm industrials. They're really nice looking. Anyways, just spin down. Spin down's pretty long on this, so this will take a while. yeah. One of the next industrials I would want to get, which is another industrial home hardware sells, is the Mayfair industrial, the Banville Mayfair Energy Star. It might not be really recommended because it's like a Banville bronze line or latex utility, which I know is pretty cheap industrial and not great quality. But the Energy Star I think looks really good. It looks like a Banville bronze line, except the blades are really curved, and it's got the black stripe around the motor, and yeah, it's a pretty good fan. Except, and also it has a 3-speed, like it comes with a 3-speed Mayfair wall control as well. And I don't know if you get them, I don't know if they're cord plugged or if like, I don't know if, like, if you actually get it in the box, if it's already cord plugged, or if like, because I know YouTuber Hobby Central, his Mayfair Industrial was cord plugged, but I don't know if he added the cord on it himself or if it came with the fan when he bought it, because he told me that he got that one from Home Hardware. And if it is a cord plug model, then like if they all come with a cord plug, then if I hung it in here, I'll just be able to use an extension cord and plug it back over my test rig behind me. But yet I don't have a cord plug fan, so I have no idea what it will be like when what I'll do. I mean, if I get a cord plug industrial up here to test, like, yeah. But the most industrial I really should get is a gold line, because gold lines are one of the best industrials yet today, so I really want to definitely get that, because now I got a silver line, and yeah, I'm hoping some point I'll test it. I don't know if that'll be today, but yeah. Oh my goodness, the fan just stopped where it could cover the down rod and canopy. Wouldn't you know it? So yeah, but this was the video of the Canarm CP36 inch industrial ceiling fan. I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.